Hey, garage door mic, part 2 of the Hacks R Us 16-foot door and a 14-foot opening. Track is no longer there. It's there. Praise the Lord. We're going to finish this off. We're going to put some angle up there to hold the end bearings in place. We got 130, 150K springs up there. Bolted up nice with the angle. Dual end style, okay, 13 ball wheel. We got the bigger reinforced track, goes almost all the way to the back. All 11 gauge on the ends. Beautiful. And it fits the opening. Going up. Listen how smooth that is. And we put the bigger bottom rubber on too. Is this on a timer? Yeah? All right. We'll get you here to look in a minute. Just finishing up. I'm going to do some trim here. There it comes. And we went flush, like I said, to match the other doors here. Absolutely beautiful. Flush, 14 by and a 14-foot opening. The right way, innovative, 630-271-9343. Thank you for watching our part 2 video of our flush underground parking garage door video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Have a great weekend. God bless you all.